Oh man, look. See how big it is? Whoa, it looks like it don't gonna fit. Big, right? Let's look. Look how big it is. It goes to the side of the rubber. See that side of the rubber right there? Look, it goes all the way to the rubber and all the way to the rubber almost. It's pretty big, isn't it? Don't look like it'd fit. Pretty big, right? Doesn't it look big? Does it, Keith?
Yeah, it looks big.
Pretty big. So you go in the middle. Put this. You got to squeeze this so it'll fit in between the window. You push this in the window right there like this, and you just roll the window up. Oops. Push that down a little bit, and voila, it fits. Look at that. Now, this maybe look wide right there. You squeeze that a little bit to get it in between into there, but look how big it is. See how big it is compared to the window? Looks too big. Yes, it does, but it fits. Got to turn it sideways. Get it in there. Squeeze this. Make it fit. Good.